Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices. Make sure your modem is online and you have your Google account handy, because the app ties everything together. Once done, install and open the Google Home app, permit Bluetooth and location so the phone discovers the router. Now physically connect the Nest router's WAN port to your modem's Ethernet and plug the router into power. The LED will pulse. This immediate action gets the hardware and app talking, which is essential before configuration. You'll follow Google Home's guided setup to add the Nest router, scan the QR, or let the app detect it. Enter a clear network name and a strong password so devices connect reliably. This matters for security and device discovery. Place the router in a central, elevated spot. If you need whole home coverage, add Nest points now and let the app place them algorithmically. Make sure the system finishes any firmware updates, because updated firmware fixes bugs and improves stability. You finish by testing the connection. Run a speed test in Google Home to verify throughput and move high-use devices to priority. Adjust security settings, enable the strongest encryption available, and set parental controls or static IPs for cameras and consoles. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Reboot the modem and router, reset Ethernet cables, and confirm the app shows the router online. If persistent issues remain, a factory reset in the app resolves configuration corruption, but use it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.